Hi, my name is Sean McMeen from Vinnie Mac Marketing. We service restoration clients, that's water, mold, fire, disinfecting clients that are in the United States, Canada. We focus strictly on those type of clients for Vinnie Mac Restoration Marketing. So the main reason why I joined the seven-figure agency was that my marketing agency, we were getting to a level where we did a lot of generalist clients, and each project we'd have to relearn that business and relearn about what they do, what their goals are, and what they're trying to accomplish. And so every single project that we took on, it was different for every type of client. And so, although we are successful with those clients and got great results for them, it's extremely hard to replicate that each and every time. And it's honestly not fair to my team to consistently do that. Trying to implement processes and procedures by one-off projects is very difficult. And so I felt like I was spinning my wheels, and that's why I kind of explored what seven-figure agency was about, and why I wanted to talk with someone like Josh that has been through those pains and struggles in the past. And so after my initial call, I was like, yeah, 100%. Josh has been through what I've gone through, and he knows how to get to that other side. And so that's the main reason why I decided to join seven-figure agency. So the results that I've received since joining seven-figure agency have been tremendous. I joined in September 2019. I was a very generalist agency all over the place, from medical to banks to local businesses to e-commerce, and we had restoration clients, and that's where we decided to focus because we, number one, felt comfortable talking with those type of clients. It just felt good, and then number two, we've gotten tremendous results for them. So in September 2019, we're around 15K recurring, and some of that was one-off projects in there, some hosting stuff, all that. So since focusing on our specific niche, which is restoration, water, mold, fire clients, we've doubled our client base in just that specific niche and increased our recurring revenue to around 28K recurring per month. And we have some other one-off projects that come in there each month. So it's definitely more than that, but recurring revenue is what I focus on, and what seven-figure agency has helped me increase since September of 2019. And again, right now it is, end of May in 2020. So that's the results that I've received since I've been in seven-figure agency. For me, the biggest impact from joining seven-figure agency has been the professional or personal growth that I've gotten out of it. Being around other agency owners that care as much as I do about generating results for our clients has been tremendous. Sometimes when you're in this agency space, you feel like you're kind of alone. You can't really talk to the competitor down the street or across town from you because you're all competing with the same local clients. And so you don't have that rapport and networking that really helps you get to that next level. So one of the biggest impacts for me is that professional growth and professional development by interacting with other agency owners that are at my level and above my level. And then at the same time, for agencies that are below my level, they're going through some of the struggles that I have previously gone through, and I find it very it feels great to be able to give back to those agency owners that and help them along the way too. So for me, it goes both ways: the networking side and personal development, and also sharing my knowledge to other people that are coming from where I've been. That's been tremendous. So there's three things that I would say to someone considering joining seven-figure agency. Number one, are you looking to be around other successful agencies? This is the place you need to be. You need to be in seven-figure agency. There are so many successful agency owners in this group that are give their time and knowledge back to everybody within the group. And so that's number one. And number two, the amount of knowledge that the agency owners share within this group is just unheard of. I'm part of several other groups, but no other group outside of a seven-figure agency gives back so much knowledge, and not ask for anything else in return other than just sharing the knowledge, right? And so that knowledge has helped grow my agency because I have proven tactics, proven information that works for other successful agencies. And number three is if you're looking for a vision to scale, no matter what level you're at, from start to 15K to 20K, it doesn't matter where you're at right now. If you're looking for a vision to get your agency to that next level, Josh and his team provide that vision and that roadmap to get you to that next level. And that's why I think every agency owner should join Seven Figure Agency.